Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best jigsaws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Jigsaws. When we hear the term jigsaw, we immediately think of a puzzle. But there is another jigsaw out there that makes an essential tool for many workers. While this list is not about puzzles, buying the best jigsaw is somewhat like a puzzle. What we mean is that when purchasing a new machine, a lot of things have to come together to make your work experience complete. Number 5. Skill 6 Amp Corded Jigsaw JS 314901. The 4-stage orbital function allows smooth cutting ability across different materials and applications. The 2-finger trigger provides increased control. Main features: quick adjust angled cutting, high cutting efficiency, easy blade change. Number 4. Meter K Upgraded 800 watt 6.7 amp 3000 SPM Jigsaw. Equipped with the newly introduced laser guide plate and guide ruler, built-in laser guides your cutting line. Main features: widely used and fast installation, safe for dust removal system and lock button, 6 variable speeds and more powerful. Number 3. Craftsman Jigsaw 5.0 Amp Me 610. The orbital settings adjust cut aggressiveness for getting the desired result in a variety of materials. This jigsaw accepts both T and U shank blades for added user versatility. Main features: variable speed trigger, contoured over molded handle, 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Jigsaw. Bright LED light helps to illuminate dimly lit work surfaces. All metal, lever action keyless blade change allows for quick and easy T-shank blade changes. Battery and charger sold separately. Main features: brushless motor, compact size for easy grip, variable speed trigger. Number 1. Black + Decker Jigsaw Smart Select. Stanley Black & Decker is a world-leading provider of tools and storage, with unique growth platforms and a track record of sustained profitable growth. Main features: new and improved wire guard, 5 amp variable speed motor, curve control technology. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.